Hello everybody, and welcome to a quick repair video, I guess, really. The battery in my DMR-6500 here is starting to go flat, so I figured I'd replace it, and then as I was getting ready to replace it, I figured, well, what the heck, I'll make a video out of it. Anyway, so these are sold by RP Electronics. Circuit Test is the in-house brand. Pretty solid gear for the price. I'm not being paid or anything to promote these guys. It's a decent product. I use it. It does the job. They're not expensive, so I figure I'll give them a little bit of free advertising there. Anyway, so 2 screws on the back. We'll just quickly remove those. Alright, and then this entire back assembly along with the hinge, I believe. Oh no, the hinge doesn't come off on this one. Alright, so anyway, that comes off. Then this battery housing just, well, I'll put this back down. There we go. Just pop off the old battery, clip in the new battery. These meters actually use standard glass fuses instead of the more expensive ceramic special encapsulated ones. So you can't use these for super high voltage applications, but if you accidentally blow one of the fuses, you spend like 50 cents on the fuse instead of $20 like the more expensive ones you see in the fluke meters costs. Anyway, so that goes on there, then this will just go back in there, and then tighten up the screws and you're done. Quick and easy. There we go. Fresh batteries. Anyway, if you liked, go ahead and hit that like button. If you haven't already, click here to if you'd like to subscribe. Over here will be a video that YouTube thinks you'll find interesting. Over here will probably be, I guess, my repair playlists. And right here will be my Patreon link in case you'd like to help fund further videos. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.